Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. To make my flower choker I'll be using this Liverpool stretchy fabric. I have cut the strips, blue cotton and a needle, scissors, ribbon 130 by 1 centimeter, hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and a felt circle fabric piece. First I'll prepare my fabric strips, which are 4 centimeters wide and approximately 3 meters long, all strips together. Now I'm cutting this strip edge in almond shapes. Looks like that. Here's my first fabric strip finished. So I'll repeat same process on other strips. And here are all strips cut out. Now I will gather one of these strips. I'm gathering this fabric strip with up and down stitch on a straight edge there. I'm evening out this gathered fabric strip so it's nice and even, all the gathering. Next I will add other fabric strip to this gathered edge and repeat same process like I did on the first fabric strip. I will repeat same process with other 2 fabric strips. And here's my gathered fabric strip. I have gathered approximately 60 centimeters in total, and I left approximately 70 centimeters because I thought flower will be too big, so in total I used 2 meters and 30 centimeters for the flower strip. Next I'll create a flower from this fabric strip. I'm rolling this fabric strip edge all around like that. All gathered edge is rolled around and I'm sewing these edges all together like that. And I'll roll this fabric strip all around till my flower is formed. And here's my prepared flower. This is the right side, looks like that. Next, I will glue on this ribbon, which is 1 centimeter by 130 centimeters long. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this flower there on the wrong side, and I'm gluing the center of this ribbon at the back there. Next, I'm applying hot glue on this felt fabric circle piece there. And I'm gluing that felt fabric circle piece at the back of the flower, just hiding all the stitching. So this is how it looks. And my flower is finished. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. Now I'll try on my new flower choker. I will add all materials which I used to make this flower choker in a description box. I also made 1 burgundy flower choker using the same sewing technique. And I made baby pink flower choker, looks stunning. And red flower choker. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.